A detailed discussion about the deployment and arrangements for Birsa Munda Jayanti rally, which is happening this Saturday. So rally will be coming from different talukas and then it will be culminating in here SGPDA market ground, SGPDA ground. So we had discussion about it. Also we were making arrangements and checking the status of the arrangement for the PM visit, which is happening in Canacona towards the end of this month. Apart from that, we also had the monthly ENCOD meeting in that we were discussing like how much awareness generation activity is being carried out by various departments regarding the drug abuse and other matter, and how effectively departments are working on the issue of drug minutes. Yeah, so yesterday we had done an inspection there. Deployment is done. Magistrates are also posted. There is a team from health department, ambulance is also deployed, then fire and safety people are also there. Otherwise also like from the electricity side and other things we have taken adequate care.